Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to today's video. These are the components we are going to use. To begin with, we'll connect the soldering iron to a power source and wait for 1.5 to 2 minutes till the iron heats up. We are using rosin along with soldering wire. We're going to solder these two wires with the motor. Now it's time to connect all the parts with the chassis frame. Please follow all the steps properly in order to fulfill your desire to complete the assembly of your robot car. Don't forget to watch the second part of the video if you want to learn how to connect the motor shield and Arduino. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.